Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Authy for backups and multi-device MFA, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with Authy, first, download the Authy app from your device's app store. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. For iOS users, go to the Apple App Store. Once the application is installed, open the Authy app. Next, you will be prompted to enter your phone number. Select your country code from the drop-down menu and enter your phone number. Tap on the Next button to proceed. You will receive a verification code via SMS or a call. Enter the verification code in the app to verify your number. Now that your phone number is verified, you can set up your Authy account. For backup and multi-device capabilities, navigate to the Settings menu in the app. Look for the Multi-Device option in the settings. Enable the multi-device feature by toggling the switch on. This will allow you to install Authy on additional devices. You may receive a confirmation prompt. Follow the instructions to enable the feature. Next, return to the main screen and locate the backup option. Tap on Backup to initiate the backup setup. You will be prompted to create a backup password. Choose a strong password and input it in the provided fields. Confirm your password and proceed by tapping Save. Make sure to store this password securely, as it will be needed for future access. After setting up the backup, the app will create encrypted backups of your tokens. You can now use authentication tokens across multiple devices without losing access. To add additional devices, install Authy on the new device and repeat the verification process. Each new device will require the multi-device feature to be enabled in your account settings. Once set up, you will have seamless access to your authentication tokens on all devices. Congratulations, you are now fully equipped with Authy for backups and multi-device multi-factor authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.